What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be giving you a glimpse at how I was able to turn $2,000 into $20,000 on the Coinbase app within a year. So before we get into this, I want to recommend everybody check out the Cryptocom trading course. Now, if you're just getting into crypto or if you've been in it for a while, you're going to learn some of the different trading strategies with this, being day trading, swing trading, long-term trading. You'll be able to learn some of the ins and outs of, how to actually make money with crypto. And it's always good to learn from somebody else as opposed to trying to figure everything out yourself. That's definitely something I've struggled with over the years. I just think I can do everything, but you'll save yourself a lot of time with this course and probably a lot of money. So I'll have a link in both the description and comments for it if you want to check it out. All right, so I'm not going to lie, this was a pretty big milestone for me because, I put in a lot of work over this last year to really grow my account to where it is now. Now, you can see that I've got it, pulled up here. And if we go back just like a year ago, I was actually at like $1,700. And, with a strategy called swing trading, which is basically what I did, I was able to, basically buy into different crypto coins at different times on here. And then, if I'd make like 5 to 10%, normally what I would do is I would just sell it and then, rinse and repeat. Now, this isn't financial advice, obviously. You got to know what you're doing with this. And I think for most people, this is not going to be something that you can do. But, I've just had such an interest in cryptocurrency now for the last really 6 years that, I was able to really hone in, this last year and really grow my account to where it's at. So, I got to pat myself on the back for that. But just an example here, I'm going to pull up the basic attention token, which I think is actually a really good token to get into right now around its price point. But if we pull up, like the last, we'll just go with like the last month to the last year. Yeah, we'll go with the last year. Now you can see this coin dipped like a lot of the other coins did in March, which would have been a good buying opportunity. But I know I was buying this coin up sometime around like November and December. And when I did, I made a decent profit here. I forget what the percentage was. It was probably like 20 or 30%. But I was able to take advantage of holding onto a coin for a few weeks, make that 20 to 30%, and then take all that money and then rinse and repeat the process. Now, I actually did it with Chainlink quite a few times too. I bought this, held it for a little bit, flipped it. The price on Chainlink was actually pretty low for a while. I think I bought in on this one when it was at, somewhere around like the low or the high, 180 and then like the low $2 range. So I was buying and selling this coin a lot too, really just kind of like getting my stack up, growing my money. And what I'm talking about here is what's called swing trading. So I wasn't like day trading where, you buy in and sell later in the day. I was holding these coins for like, a week to a few weeks or sometimes even a month. But I was always staying on top of the news with these coins, and Coinbase does allow you to do that pretty easy. But, I also search on, Google for different news for any coin that I'm going to buy into before I buy into it to try to figure out if it's a good coin to get at the time. Now, you can also pull up different, 24-hour price changes and things like that on here if you want to, see what's trending and whatnot. Recently, I moved basically most of my money into XRP because I'm really going for that big blow up here. I've got over 100,000 coins of this, and I'm just really hoping that it pops off. So, I could go from that, that $1,700, $2,000 mark to who knows, 100,000 plus, all by, sticking with this and really being able to grow my account. So, if you really put your mind to it, good things can definitely happen. Like I said, I've just been interested in this space for, going back even like 6 years now. And I've stuck with it, and good things have definitely happened. But as far as coins, I always like to mention some coins that I think are good right now. I would say Stellar is good. XRP I just had pulled up a second ago. The reason I think Stellar is good is because, it does have a low price right now, but it's got a lot of room to go up. This coin's all-time high price was 90 cents, and they kind of have some use cases going on with that coin. So I would feel pretty confident to put some money in that, maybe for like a swing trade or even just holding on to that one. And then the basic attention token. Since I've owned this coin in the past, I really think that, it's got a good future ahead of it. Its all-time high was like 98 cents, but I could see the price on this coin doubling in no time because it's got a use case. It's connected with the Brave browser. But anyways, you guys, just showing you one more time here, pulling up my account, just put in the work on Coinbase. I'm going to continue to do that. Hope you guys enjoy these crypto videos. If you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.